Hello everyone in YouTube. Today I'm going to be talking about what is the best coffee maker in the world. And I'm going to say the Braun Brew Sense sits on top of the list of what is the best coffee maker in the world. While some in the more technically brilliant coffee makers can run you close to $300, the Brew Sense is my top pick for its high value feature set, ease of use, and lower price tag. Sorry if you all can see me talking like that. And then, however, if you are again looking for what is the best coffee maker in the world, you should take a look at the Technivorm Mako Master, one of the few coffee makers to meet the golden cup standards set by the SCA. The Mako Master offers fine-tuned temperature control and range of personalization features for the avid tinkerer as well. However, those looking to cut daily trips to the coffee shop out of their routine will love the Ninja Hot and Coffee Brewed system. Because again, it is part of the question that is asked, what is the best coffee maker in the world? Capable of brewing up everything from a latte to cold brew quickly, easily, and all-in-one, Ninja gives you that barista experience from your own kitchen. Best coffee maker under $100 is the next subtopic. Now, the first subtopic that I'm going to talk about. Here are some of the best coffee makers under $100, and this is one of the reasons why it answers the question, what is the best coffee maker in the world? First one is for best value, and it is Mr. Coffee Programmable Coffee Maker. Second one is the best dual option, and it is Hamilton Beach Two-Way Brewer Coffee Maker. Third one is Best Grind and Brew, which is Krupp's personal cafe grind drip maker coffee grinder. The next one is the next coffee maker is best for coffee pods, and it is Keurig K Classic Coffee Maker. Best small option is the next coffee maker for the best small option, which is Bodum Chambord French Press Coffee Maker. The next one is the next coffee maker is for best drip option, and it is Cuisinart Programmable Coffee Maker. The next one is best Splurge. It's for best Splurge, and this coffee maker is called DeLonghi 15 bar pump espresso and cappuccino maker. The next one is best single cup Hamilton Beach, the scoop single coffee maker. So that coffee maker is again for best single cup. The next coffee maker is best portable one, and it is called Bialette Mocha Stovetop Espresso Coffee Maker. The next coffee maker is best for cold brew, and it is the Takia Patented Deluxe Cold Brew Iced Coffee Maker. Next coffee maker is for best pour over, Chemix Classic Series Pour Over Glass Coffee Maker. Next one is best affordable coffee maker, which is Amazon Basics Coffee Maker is what it's called. Next coffee maker is for best rated, and it is Keurig K-Slim Coffee Maker. Next subtopic is what I'm going to say is how long does a coffee maker last? Relevant to 5 years is how long it lasts. The average lifespan of a good coffee maker is relevantly 5 years. If you take good care of the machine by cleaning and descaling regularly, the machine can last up to 10 years. However, while some coffee machines last up to 10 years, you may want to say goodbye to your coffee maker a little earlier. And this is the answer to, again, the question asked, what is the best coffee maker in the world? Next subtopic is which coffee machine is best for home use. Here's a list of them here, as this is the answer to the question asking, what is the best coffee maker in the world? First one for home use is Brewer Bambino Plus, the best espresso machine. The second one for the best home use for coffee machine is DeLonghi Dinamica Plus ECAN 370, the best bean to cup coffee maker. Next one is KitchenAid Classic 5K CM1208 drip coffee maker. Next one is Brewer, the Oracle Touch Nespresso Virtuo Next. And the next one is Smeg drip filter coffee machine. For again, which coffee machine is best for home use. And the next one is DeLonghi Dedica Style EC685. The next one is Nespresso Virtuo Plus, for again, which coffee machine is best for home use. Okay, and this is the so yeah, those are the ones, and I was about to say that is the answer to the question asking what is the best coffee maker in the world, like I said. Next subtopic that I would like to talk about is what is the most reliable coffee maker? The most reliable brand of pod coffee maker. The most reliable brand of pod coffee maker. Nespresso, which also relates highly for owner satisfaction. Two more brands, Bella and Mixpresso, rate very good for predicted reliability. Mixpresso and three other brands, Bodum, Cuisinart, and Keurig, also rate highly for owner satisfaction. This is also the answer to, again, the question, what is the best coffee maker in the world? Okay, and when I first said this subtopic about the most reliable brand of pod coffee maker, there's a question mark there, so that was actually a question there. So the next thing is drip coffee makers, which is part of that subtopic of what is the most reliable coffee maker. Drip machines, especially more affordable plastic models, can sometimes feel cheap and disposable, but according to their track records in the homes of our members, as a category, drip machines are quite reliable. Just about every major brand, with two exceptions, receives a moderate to highly favorable rating for predicted reliability. That's good news, considering past surveys have shown that most CR members expect their drip machines to last 7 years. On the other hand, only a handful of brands receive a rating higher than good for owner satisfaction. Bonavita, Technivorum, and Zaljushi are the only drip brands to receive top ratings for both predicted reliability and owner satisfaction. 11 brands fall below those three, but still rate very well for predicted reliability. Those brands are Bella, Brim, Calphalon, Cuisinart, Crux, Farberware, Kenmore, Mr. Coffee, Oster, Procter, Silex, and True. One of those brands, Cuisinart, also rates highly for owner satisfaction. Okay, so the next one is, at the other end of the spectrum, Brewer and DeLonghi received the lowest ratings for reliability, each rating poor. The rest of the brands in our survey, results receive middle of the road ratings for predicted reliability, including established players like Black & Decker, Hamilton Beach, and then Hamilton Beach, and KitchenAid and Krups. Just like I said, Black & Decker too. As for owner satisfaction, 4 more brands rate exceptionally well. They are Bamorn, Bun, Ninja, and Oxo. Here's a terrific drip coffee maker from Bonavita, which rates excellent for predicted reliability and owner satisfaction, which also answers the question that was asked, what is the best coffee maker in the world? So Again, I'm going to say Bonavita BV1901TS 8 Cup 1 Touch is one of the coffee makers. Okay, the next one is single serve pod coffee makers with the subtopic of what is the most reliable coffee maker. The brand Keurig is synonymous with pod coffee makers in the US, so it's no surprise that according to the 2018 survey, the brand constitutes 80% of the single serve coffee makers purchased by CR members in recent years. The next most popular brands among CR members are Espresso and Cuisinart, with just 6% and 5% of the share respectively. And again, guys, before I finish this is all from my own research and curiosity, just like you all would be doing to research on this. And I have never tried, well, I actually tried the Keurig and Mr. Coffee, but that was about it with the coffee makers. So I'm going to continue reading now. Our survey data seems to corroborate Keurig's popularity because its machines rate excellent for owner satisfaction. Though pod machines are popular, they aren't the best brewers. In our test, none receive higher than a good rating for taste. Then there are the pods themselves. Billions of them have ended up in landfills, but you can recycle some pods. In fact, Keurig claims all of its pods will be recyclable by the end of the year. Keurig brewers have many satisfied owners, but they aren't as reliable as you might think. They receive only a middling good rating for predicted reliability. Coincidentally, pod machines made by rival Cuisinart receive identical ratings for satisfaction and reliability. The reliability of both brands improved, though. In last year's survey, they each received fair ratings. The most reliable brand of pod coffee maker, Espresso, that is one of them, which also rates highly for owner satisfaction. Two more brands, Bella and Espresso, rate very good for predicted reliability. Espresso and three other brands, Bodum, Cuisinart, and Keurig, also rate highly for owner satisfaction. Our survey data gives four brands fair ratings for reliability: Black & Decker, Bunn, Hamilton Beach, and Procter Silex. But only Black & Decker also receives a disappointing rating for owner satisfaction. The 9 remaining brands in our results receive middling reliability ratings: Bosch, Cuisinart, DeLonghi, Farberware, Keurig, KitchenAid, Mr. Coffee, Starbucks, and True. All of them except Bosch and Starbucks receive satisfaction ratings of good or higher. Bosch receives a fair rating for satisfaction, and Starbucks receives a poor rating. Past survey data showed that CR members expect their single-serve pod machines to last 6 years on average. Given that 12 of the 16 pod machine brands in our survey rate good or better for reliability, you don't have to be too picky about the brand of machine you choose. Here is a superb single-serve coffee maker from Espresso, which rates excellent for both predictability, reliability, and owner satisfaction, and this answers the question asking what is the best coffee maker in the world. And now the next subtopic is the summary. If you came here wondering what the answer to the question asking what's the best coffee maker in the world, then I hope I've answered your question. I mentioned and explained the best coffee makers under $100. How long does a coffee maker last? Which coffee machine is best for home use? What is the most reliable coffee maker? With lists of products for coffee makers and information on drip coffee makers, single-serve pod coffee makers, espressos, and much more. As these coffee makers mentioned in this article are recommendations in my article that I have written are my recommendations from my own research and curiosity, but just that you don't have to do the research from your own curiosity. But there are so much more out there. I hope you got something useful out of this. So what I mean by how you don't have to do your own research from your own curiosity, I got everything together for you all in this video. Of again, what is the best coffee maker in the world, which is the main topic. Okay, so, and I will leave these links down below in the description of this video. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will talk to you all later in the next video. Peace, take care, bye.